Okay, so welcome back to this course. So now in this video, let's create our this create route. Let's also work on our this create product. In this video, I will create the reducer and the action for the new product. All right. So simply go back to my VS Code. Let's close this dashboard and also the product list. I go to the constants, product constants, and I simply let's copy these. So Control C, put that here, and this is the new product. So simply select this review. Let's replace here the product. Simply save it, close this, go to the reducer and the product reducer at the top. I simply actually copy these four. So copy, put that here, and replace this review with the product. Okay, let's go to the top bottom. Or I simply copy this one. Let's copy this. Control C. Right. So let's put that here. That is new product reducer, and in the state the product is going to be an empty object. Okay, and for first of all, let's actually select this review, replace it with the product. So loading is true and loading is false. Success is the action.payload dot success, and then the product will be action.payload dot product, and then in the field this error. In the reset, success is false. And so now I think so we are done with our new product reducer. Let's copy this one, go to store.js, and let's actually put that here. Okay, and we have to also bring that in here. So we save it. Now close this one. I think so we are done with our reducer. So let's actually copy these four. Control C, actions, product actions, and let's actually bring them in. You don't have to use your reset. So simply save it, and let's put that right here. Copy this one, Control C, put that right here. So that is create product or new product. I put here new product. Okay, and we are passing here the product data, and then dispatch here. Let's actually replace simply replace this review with the product. Okay, so new product request first of all, then the header that will go to /API /product/new, and then the product data, and then we have new product success, and it is going to be data, and this is going to be the error. Simply save it, and that's it. We are done with our reducer and the action. In the next video I will create a component for it, and I will create my first product using the admin panel. Okay, and also I want to show you I haven't shown you that the non-admins cannot access this dashboard. If I log out from here, I don't know, I remember any email, so I create here a new user. Let's put in here John at gmail.com 1 2 3 4 5 6, and let's create this user. Select this one, open, register. So duplicate email, enter. This net John already exists. So go to login, put in here John, so 1 2 3 4 5 6, and yes, now you can see that I don't have option of dashboard here, but if I go to slash dashboard, you can see that I am redirected back to the home page. I cannot access the admin routes. Okay, so only admins can do that. So log in with the admin account. Now I can go to the dashboard. Alright, so now in my next video I will basically create this new product component, and will create the product using the admin panel. Okay, so I will see you in the next video. Okay, so welcome back. So now let's create our new product component in the admin. So create here new file that is called new product.js. Alright, and now first of all let's go to the product list and copy this whole stuff, put that here. I don't need here mdb table, not the link. I need here use state. I need here metadata, I don't need loader, sidebar, then the use alert, use dispatch, use selector, and then the new product. Okay, and then here I need to bring in the history. Okay, and then let's simply create here some variables for, so first of all const name, set name, use state, then we have the price, so set price, that is going to be 0, and then const the description, set description, use state, and then we have the category, so const category, set category, use state I pass here nothing, and then I have here the stock, so stock, set stock, it is going to be 0, then const the seller name, so set seller, use state, and then the images, so const images, set images, use state, and I pass here an empty array. And I also want to create here one more, so const images preview equals to use state, and that is going to be an empty array. Also I have to put in here set images preview. Right, save it. Also I need here the list of all the categories, so I simply go to my home.js and I copy this from here, so Ctrl C, close it and paste it here, list of all the categories, and then I simply go back and let's actually copy this use effect, so Ctrl C, put that here, so alert, dispatch, that's bringing the error, loading, and the success from state dot new product. Okay, and then the use effect, if error, I will display the error. Okay, and then if success, if you successfully created the product, simply history dot push it was to slash admin slash products, and then alert dot success, and type here product created successfully. Then simply dispatch here. The type is going to be the new product reset. So let's bring that in. So import new product reset from constants slash product constants. Let's put that right here. Okay, and also I put in here the success, and then the history. Okay, and simply save it. And actually I simply go to my register. So user, let's close this one, go to register.js. I have to copy from here the submit handler and also the on change. So I copied, Control C, close this one, and put that right here. So first of all, the submit handler. So prevent default contains name, then the price, then the description, and then we have the category. Okay, and then we have the stock, then we have the seller. Okay, and then for the images, we know that there are multiple images. So what I do is I simply type here images dot for each image I want to put the image in the form data. So form data dot, I have to here append. So append the images, have to pass in here the img or image, that is this one. Okay, so for we know that there are multiple images of the product like this one. So I simply loop through all the images and append them in the images and the form data like this one, and then I have to dispatch here the new product, pass in the form data, and then for the on change I will simply remove this if, and also this one. I simply type here that first of all files, so const files equals to the e dot target dot files, and let's actually wrap them around the array. So array dot from. Okay, and then I have to set here first of all the images preview. So set images preview to an empty array. Okay, then set images to the array, empty array. Okay, so because user may first of all click on the browse, select the 5 images, then I have display all the images on the UI basically, but user may want to change the images again. So if the user press browse and again upload the 5 or 6 images, then before I have to also clear the previous preview. So I will simply set the preview to empty array, then set images to an empty array, because user may upload multiple images multiple times. Okay, then after that I simply loop through here. So files dot for each file I have to read it. So I simply type here const reader, and this all stuff. Cut it from here. Oops. Cut it from here, put that here, simply save it. And so reader is equal to new file reader. If ready.state is equal to 1 is equal to 2. Okay, also I have to put here the file instead of this one. So set images preview, and then I simply put it here because this is an array. So I simply put in here old array, and I simply spread here dot 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 old array, and then the reader dot result. So what it do is, we know that there are multiple images, so this is an array of images. So first time when this is first image, it is going to spread the old array, which is going to be an empty array, and in the first turn, then it will push this result in this array. Then second time it will come, we have the first image in that, so it will spread the first image and then put the second image here, and this way we will set all the images in this images preview array. And the same way we have to set the images. Okay, and then simply save it. I think so we are done here. But let's actually go to here in the product list. I simply copy this one, so fragment, Control C, I put that right here. Let's remove this. Okay, that is new product. Okay, and I also remove this H1. And if I go back to my notepad, this is new product.html. I simply have to copy this wrapper from here. So not the last div, this one. So Control C, go back, put here, save it. And let's quickly work on it. So first of all, press Ctrl H to replace the class with the class name. Okay, and then on submit, the submit handler. Okay, and then let's put in here first of all the value, so name, and then on change I will set set name e.target.value. So this is the price. On change set price e.target.value, and then here in this text area I put in here the value is equal to the description, and then on change set description e.target.value. And then for the category, I first of all have to put in here, after ID I put here value is equal to the category, and then on change set category e.target.value. Then also I have to loop through and display all the categories, so I simply put in here the categories dot map to each category, and I'll display here the option that has the category. Okay, and we have also passing here the key that is going to be category itself, Okay, and then also we have to pass in here the value, that is category. Oops. Value, that is going to be category. So we save it, and then after that we have the stock. So stock, then on change e dot set stock okay, and then we have the seller, and then for the images, first of all, file, multiple, and then on change I have to call the on change. Okay, and then we also have to display here after this div the preview of the images that we have just uploaded. Okay, that will be images preview dot map through each image. Okay, and for each image I will simply put in here the image tag with the class of name of margin top of 3 and then margin right of 2. Okay, and then the source is going to be the image, and the key is going to be the image, and the art is going to be the images preview, and then let's give it width and height also. So width is going to be 55 and the height is going to be 52. Yes. Okay, simply save it, and for this I also have to pass in here disabled. So disable equals to loading, then true, otherwise it is false. Alright, let's simply save it. We have here some error. Oh, there should be one more bracket. Simply save it, and now if I go to my app.js, so app.js, let's bring in here the import new product from dot slash components slash admin slash new product. Okay, and then I simply duplicate this one, slash admin slash product, and the component is going to be new product. So we save it, and I also want to check new product is not defined in the new product.js. Line 72, that is new pro. Okay, that is new product. Line 72. So new product is not defined. Okay, oops. Now if I go to here in the reducers, not in reducers, in the actions, product actions, and that is post request. Okay, so we save it. And now if I go back, reload the page, go to product, create, so cannot read loading as it is undefined. So state.new product in the store.js. So new product producer. That is C. Simply save it. Now if I go back, you will see here we have this form, and let's actually test these images. I have multiple images. So for example, select these first 4 images, these, click on open. You will see here I have successfully previewed my images, but right now I don't have add the Cloudinary on my backend to upload these images, so I have to go to my backend and then set the Cloudinary also. And also I want to disable this footer on the admin accounts. This is totally optional if you want to do or not, but I will do that. So let's actually go to my VS Code, and in the app.js I simply put in here that if not loading, okay, and not is authenticated, or I should type here and user.role is not equal to the admin, then I have to display a footer. So let's save it. So loading is not defined. I have to bring that in. So let's put it here, the use selector. So import use selector from the React Redux. Okay, and then I simply after this put in here const user loading equals to use selector from state.off. Now I press Ctrl S. So use selector, so save it, and now if I go back, you will see no footer here. Alright, so now if I go to my close this one, I go to the backend controller, product controller, and the new product. And first of all, bring in here the Cloudinary equals to require the Cloudinary. Okay, then first of all I type here let images equal to an empty array. Okay, and then if, let's first of all check that if type of request dot body dot images equal to string, then I simply images dot push request dot body dot images, else images will be equal to request dot body dot images. So what happens is, for example, first of all I will check that if the type of request dot body dot images is string, then I have to push them in this array. Otherwise the images will be equal to request dot body dot images. Okay, now why I have you type here if else, because user may upload one image. So if user upload one image, then this request dot body dot image is going to be an object. Okay, so in that case it is string. Else if there are multiple images, then that is going to be an array. So if it is one image, then I simply push this in the images, and if there are multiple images, then it will be equal to request.body.images. Okay, so this is just to handle because user may upload one image or more images. So if it is one image, again I tell you that if it is one image, then request.body.images is going to be an object. So that's why you have to push that. And if it is already an array, there are multiple images, then I simply type here images equal to request.body.images, right? I hope that you understand. And let's first of all type here let images links equals to an empty array. Okay, and then I simply start a for loop here. So for let I equals to 0, and then I less than images dot length. Okay, I plus plus. I simply have to cons result equals to await cloudinary.v2.uploader.upload the images of I, the first image and second image and third image, one by one, and I simply pass in here the folder which is the products. Okay, and then after uploading it, I will simply have to save the links also. So images dot links, or images links, sorry, images links dot push, and I push here an object of the public ID of that image, that is going to be result dot public ID, and then the URL, that is going to be result dot secure URL. Okay, I will push that in, and then I will simply type here request dot body dot images equals to images links. Simply save it. So now let's actually test it out, and I hope that it will work. So let's go back, reload the page, and let's put in here this test price is 45, test laptops stock is cannot read property value of undefined, or we have some issue on 154. So go to 154, that is set stock. Okay, so if I go back, I simply put in here the test. Okay, put the price here, some Japanese content in the description, laptop stock is 45, seller name is Amazon. Let's upload these two images. So test it out. So open, if I click on create, so I think so it is stuck. If I go to inspect and go to the console, so for HTML4, so I go to Redux, so new product is fail. Alright, so new product. So what I do is simply go back to my VS Code, and let's go to the first of all reducer. So new product request, in the field the error is action.payload, right? And then if I go to the action, product action, so new product fail, payload is error.response.data.message. So why it is not displaying the error? Let's log here the error.response, simply save it, and now if I go back and reload this page, let's test it out with some gibberish content. Let's upload these two images, create. If we go to inspect on the console, this object will contain that slash product slash new. Okay, so if I go back to my backend, controller, routes, the product, and that is post request, that is slash admin slash product slash new. Alright, so slash admin slash product slash new. If I simply save it now and let's close this one, I think so it will work now. So if I go back, reload it, put here some put in here test, price, description, category, stock, seller name is Amazon. Let's select these two images. So open. Now if I click on create, you will see that product created successfully, and now here is the product. Okay, if I go to the shop at home page, if I go to the page 3, you will see this is the test. So this has two images. Alright, and you can see in the new tab the image is uploaded successfully. So shop at images upload, and it is right here. Okay, and this is the data. Alright, so now we successfully created our product using this create. Okay, and also we have to basically reset it. So product create. If you go to create, you can see that I can't go here. If I go to my inspect, let me check it out in the Redux. So Redux, so new review, that is not review, that is there it is, new, what is this, product. Okay, so now it will work fine. Let's Control C, and now let's import this one. Control V, save it, and now it will work fine. Okay, so now we are done with our product. Also I have to remove the console log from the actions. Simply remove this one, save it. Okay, so now in the next video, I first of all have to handle this delete button, how we can delete some product from our database. Okay, so I will handle this delete product in my next video.